Hello everyone from the Philippines. We are here at BGBE in Osaka. We are here with a special guest. Please introduce yourself and what do you do?
グループ SNE の北沢圭と申します。ソードワールド2.0、2.5の
part of the group SNE, and he's the designer of Sword World 2.0 and 2.5.
So we got the designer. Sorry, I'm still panicking. I'm still excited to meet the designer of Sword World 2.5 and 2.0 because I played it once and I'm really a big fan of it. First of all, I want to say thank you very much for designing a good game, a very great game.
ありがとうございます。
There are a lot of Filipino fans out there that are also playing Sword World. What is your message to them?
まず遊んでいただいてすごく嬉しいですし光栄に思っております。海外の方
First
に
of all, I'd like to thank everyone who's playing my game right now in the Philippines. I didn't really have any idea that my game is actually being played like outside of Japan, so I'm really thankful for that. And going forward, I'm also designing more games, so please look forward to it. And again, thank you for playing my game.
Another question is, what is your inspiration in creating Sword World 2.5 and 2.0?
ね、もちろんありとあらゆる伝統的な RPG 全てにやはり影響を受けているんですけれども、僕は2.0からソードワールドの葬式
I've played a lot of RPGs in my days. I've also been a huge fan of Sword World 1.0. So, like, as a respect for whoever started Sword World 1.0, so that's basically the whole inspiration of 2.0 and 2.5, which is to like give respect to the senpais, basically, of whoever created it and the old school RPG and bringing it into like a modern light.
Question is, since we're here at BGBE, what is your thoughts about the event, bringing board games in Japan and being here, having families see all of the board games, not just here, but also coming here to experience the event?
関西でこれだけ大きなゲームのイベントを行っていただいているということはすごく力強いしありがたい
So first and foremost, it's actually like BGB is one of the only few events here in Kansai that actually brings all these communities together. So I'm really happy for that. And as far as board games and TRPG is concerned, having these types of events showcasing the fun of board games, the public, is actually a really nice way of bringing people together. My company, Group SNE, is also making a lot of board games as well, and then murder mysteries and all those types of things. But unfortunately, with the TRPG, tabletop RPG scene, so it's still a little bit weak when you compare it to like the other types of analog gaming. So in order to like bring more people into like the TRPG here for the general public, so we're actually now designing Sword World 2.0 like in a box type content so that it's a lot easier for non-gamers to like get into it.
We're definitely looking forward to that box type because I've tried your game, I really loved it, and now we're meeting you in person. Last question is, this is a bit arbitrary. What is your favorite board game of all time or TRPG of all time? Besides Sword World 2.5.
難しい質問ではありますけれども
It's a little bit difficult.
そういう意味ではトンネルズ&トロールズというゲームがありましてオールドスクールですけれども
Tunnels and Torores ですか?
トンネルズ&トロールズ
It's a little bit difficult to answer, but for him, the answer would be Tunnels and Trolls, which is the second RPG that has been made, like in the entire world. I was one of the person who actually localized that here in Japan. So some of the game elements in Tunnels and Trolls is actually also reflected in Sword World 2.0 and 2.5. So yeah, to answer a question, I think my favorite TRPG of all time would be Tunnels and Trolls.
Sugo. We definitely need to try Tunnels and Trolls in the channel. Thank you everyone for watching. We'll see you next in our next video. I forgot the outro. Just cut it. It's okay. Sorry. Oh my god. See, I'm still panicking.